Get ready for an exciting IPL 2026 match as Lucknow Super Giants takes on Delhi Capitals at the Bharat Ratna Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee Ekana Cricket Stadium in Lucknow. The match is scheduled to start at 7:30 p.m. IST. LSG, led by Rishabh Pant, boasts a strong batting lineup featuring Mitchell Marsh. Their bowling attack is led by Mohammad Shami. DC, captained by Akshar Patel, has a balanced squad with KL Rahul. Their spin duo of Akshar Patel and Kuldeep Yadav will be crucial in containing LSG's batting. The Ekana Stadium pitch favors teams batting first with an average score of 175 to 185 runs. Let's watch this thrilling match unfold.